I have just received a mail that talks about Discord and PlayStation collaboration. I will tell you all about it, but before that, only 4.5% of you have subscribed to me. Make sure to subscribe now. I want to reach 13,000 subscribers soon. Now we are inside the article on Discord's official page. This offer has started from March 3rd and will end on April 2nd of this year. This offer is only for the people living in Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom. If you are not from one of these countries, it won't work for you, even with the VPN. Now, what is this offer all about? Don't worry, you don't need to read the whole article. When you go to PlayStation page, click the Join button. It will show you the PlayStation premiums. You will receive 1 month free Nitro after purchasing 1 month subscription at $18. And you'll get 3 months free Nitro if you purchase its $50 of 3-month PlayStation subscription. In my opinion, it's not worth it, because Discord is giving Nitro at cheaper rates than that. But if you already have PlayStation subscriptions sitting with you, I guess in that case, you can claim your free Nitro. Now if you are eligible for this and redeemed your Nitro, you'll receive a free Nitro link in your mail. To claim your Nitro from the link, you will need to add your payment method. Other than that, you shouldn't have had Nitro for the past 12 months or more. This excludes the Nitro Basic, Classic, 3 days Nitro from the Orb shop and Nitro shared by your friends, but includes the Nitro you get from trials. So that's there is to it. It's similar to Xbox Collab. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.